Do you know what? On today's comedy, wait, let me do my cap way. On today's comedy, like you're going to laugh. See, I bet you, just watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end. And if you ever regret it, unsubscribe from this channel. Alright guys, without further ado, make sure you turn on post notification bell icon after you subscribe and make sure you comment and like this video. Let's dive into this comedy. Very funny one. Let's go.
So can you tell me more about yourself, like where you're from, your favorite color? Let's start with your favorite color. So what's your favorite color?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
My favorite color is your teeth.
Really? So your favorite color is white?
No. My favorite color is brown.
Clapper for Jesus! Clapper for Jesus! Clapper for Jesus!
You get it?
It's my mood right now.
Oh, this is so sad now. Why would you say such a thing when you are eating his food? You are eating somebody's food.
Look at that, you didn't man, not be on the call. Okay, you didn't man. What do you mean they shot my name here? You don't get orientation.
Your parents don't get orientation. Look at that one carry me come here. They say man can't deliver something.
What are you
Oh, God, look me where. I be like, couldn't expect anything. Now, ASHAWO be my work, oh. Except not preach.
Not be juju be
Oh,
that.
God, don't waste my time, oh. Because time now money.
So you can tell me so you know they expect anything. You go tell me who get this delivery.
Dissolve!
My picking. No man knows.
Idiot. And you can tell me so you know they expect anything. ASHAWO.
Papa, no fear.
Give your apologies. Now your grandma for feeling say man can't dispatch your picking give you. Based on say the country don't too hard.
Oh, God, you know, see ASHAWO work at they do. I don't fit train picking for Lagos. My toto go pain me.
Man, I'm quiet.
Jesus.
You're not going for tip pay.
Oh, God,
Yeah! Man, I'm not there for that one. Don't pay my delivery fee now in BTC. Because I want to share that with Chiroi. Based on say they get very fast and
What is
reliable.
it?
Oh, God! What make you they call me?
the people who suppose deliver oil for that they para.
The people who get the oil say we still get already.
Oh, God, na titi oil.
Dissolve!
Oh, God, why you dey shout like that? Which one be titi oil?
Jesus. Mama, now it be this. Yeah!
So many.
Yeah!
So no more baby oil.
But then you no go understand.
Understand wetin?
Now me go feed the pay.
Dissolve! Are you guys? They are the one actually going to feed the pay. They have already plastered Katafi bomb.
Blaq. Now this mouth when person get, he take dey follow pikin talk. If I talk for yansh, now mess go come outside.
I swear I no go do am again, I beg.
Mozkoh, you forgive him now. Just have mercy.
So mozkoh, I agree so.
Let me answer that guy greeting.
But now you dey greet now.
You know this how they do something.
I been out Chuku.
Who talk to you? I greet you. Try make I go bless try next time.
Ojugu don't do the go.
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
If I don't say what you do me, no pay me, na lie.
I beg no verse.
But before I go let you go, you go help me go one message. See this Benz. Na my own.
Forgive you.
Na me drive and reach
liar.
just now. The fuel come finish.
Jesus.
I bet if me push and go that filling station buy fuel come. If you just fit go down and come, you fit dey go.
You know say I no fit do this thing now. It dey impossible now.
Wetin dey impossible? No be me drive the car reach here before fuel finish.
Omo, I be go that filling station this morning. They no get fuel.
That filling station no get fuel.
I swear.
Wetin we go do now?
Mo just leave the motor for there now.
But you don't check NNPC.
NNPC.
See her now. Let me be that.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Yeah, NNPC. That one always dey get fuel. People don't fuel no dey the country.
He foul.
Now eye for far. Before you close eye open now. You don't go come.
I don't die.
Life you no go.
Jesus.
What did I just watch from Moscow is crazy. Oh. He said, "Now if you no go, how can you?" Those days in school, I used to hear that all these boys usually used to
Good afternoon, boss. I'm hungry.
What a nice name. I'm Mubarak.
I'm Mubarak.
If you never get money,
This is how to
you be
reply
woman.
these people
I don't be
that
fuck
always
you.
go around
Okay,
dead people.
you do it.
See, like this is a very sweet update too. If you just want to beg me and I don't want to give you, and I see that see gift, open your eyes and see the
Who is the surprise now?
that's this.
This is surprise now. I got you this brand new car.
It's not possible.
It's not possible. Are you looking down on me?
You know what? When you're serious, you let me now.
Somebody gave you car, you're telling him that it's not possible, like you cannot afford it or what?
Be serious now. Where's the gift?
This is the surprise. Why are you doubting me?
You know what?
It's very bad though when you're
Hello, Baba.
Hello?
That my boyfriend just got me a car.
Which boyfriend?
The one I use is Destiny now. That time I need the money for me.
Where you want somebody buyer? Person where I don't lock in Destiny. If you see money for grant and paper, what? That we talk about.
Sure, I told you.
girlfriend can be so
If I go need this your car, I go like prank my baby.
But you go share proof.
I go proof for no one. Like bro,
the Baba can walk. The Baba did do walk. They have used
Last person.
I'm up a road. What's going on here?
Brother bros.
Senior.
Now you be this.
Waiting.
Na me o.
Jesus.
This time Gary again. You know they bring provision.
See they buy provision. See your belly.
any little change, now enjoyment. Don't worry about my future.
New student.
No. You never see anything. You never see anything. You just start. Want to be yourself?
All the time. All the time.
Senior.
Go. Let's not do best something before you begin one.
You will chop us in one day.
Jesus.
I'm not
carrying that.
Take. Go fetch me water.
What's it with that?
Time for food. Madam, rise up and walk. Jesus!
No worry, leave on. It just the start. Alright guys, I want you to trade your gift card, your USDT and Bitcoin with ATEC coins, or you can send them a DM on Instagram or download the app ATEC Party. And remember, trade smart and live large. One love.
like the spirit still dey inside them. Even though you know fat, the spirit of food still dey inside them. On a food where the guy, let's see the next one from another guy like Mopike. Power.
Jesus Christ. No score for me again. Eh? No score for me again. What's in the happen? Then cross the first one, you know, back. Then you rebound again, you play again for back. God, they tell you something, I know one listener. I don't know what you go pursue ball for. I forgot you go be a Peller, make you do barman for them. But no, I choose to call you to back. Because now lawyers now they make money pass for Nigeria every day in a lawsuit. You understand? So leave on. Now better thing that they do for you like this. I say make I tell you. You go favor you here pass. You understand? Now I put it to you. You can go and be putting it to them.
Can never make.
Even the guy was laughing because the thing was so funny. Because you dey play boy hit by your coach will just carry from nowhere to your to bar. That's hilarious. Let's see this one from Cool Prince. It's the bigger.
Prince, now you get this house. I no believe my eye. So who no get sense they make him? Hope they for me.
What do you mean by that? Well, this diamond cove apartment, and it's one of my projects. It's the latest in town. We have everything you would need here. Swimming pool, snooker, even PS5. They are in each and every apartment. So if you're in Ekoma Edo State, this is the place you should be.
Young man, are you the architect?
Sir, I'm architect, so sorry, I'm just coming. Follow me.
Young man, who are you?
I'm an interior designer.
Interior designer. But the interior designer is already upstairs working.
Hey! Please, who you be? Well, I'm a security agent. I work under NMSA. And I'm a Sabi agency.
Yes, man. Yes, sir. You would have said so. So how good are you?
Check for your phones.
Is that to prove how good you are?
Wow. Sir, this is not even my best. This is just the tip of the ice block. Security be having a thief. I beg you my property.
Look at my face.
If I give you your own my event.
Hey! But I like you already. I'll hire you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll call you, okay?
No need for that. I'll resume work tonight.
Now this one I like
This is more than a security man. This is a criminal for crying out loud. And you say you're going to call him. He said he will come in the night. Forget.
Igwe, my fellow elders, I welcome you all to this new Kana festival. I know that a lot of you traveled far and wide with your families to come to this village to celebrate this Kana festival. Indeed, the gods has blessed our land. Wow. And this is the first harvested Kana from our land.
Kana everywhere.
Sorry, my elders, imported Kana. I'm sorry for my errors. And as such, this fresh Kana, we must first offer it to the gods so that it will bless our land. So that next year we will harvest more and more and more Kana. Bountiful Kana. But my elders, when are we going to celebrate the New Yam Festival? Ugozu.
Everybody gathered to talk about Kana. You are talking about festival.
Maga, well done.
No best for me.
Well done.
What did they always worry? Oh, you babas. Hey! Why would I know they sit down for one show?
I did shop before. I just come out. Now some of my clients, they get issue with police for that road.
What is your business? You leave your own work.
No, they be working boys, so they even teach me one or two things. You know, as we do them now, I just go and collect their phone. Now their phone be this. You should understand. They even give me back you, make them keep. I carry TV pop for the place. I don't keep up for back. I see they do them now, normal thing. Now this April they use. We know they use this one again now.
Are you playing? What type of playing is
no
this?
wonder this smile on officer was
just continue.
I know everyone bad again. You leave your own shop. Go carry TV pop. You the help criminal. Working boys, Yahoo boys, hide exhibit.
No, it's
everything you say will be used against you in Kirikiri. So say less.
Yeah! It's not my. Let me go and give them their phone back. It's not.
You say what?
I make I just go give them their phone. They are not fine.
I go slap you if you stress me. Sam, oh yeah. If you just we give. No. I'm not trying anything for you. I go jack you. You leave your shop. You go there. Puff pass.
God have mercy upon
now if I do.
This one is more than happy. You are very silly. Like no. This one for futurize. Let's futurize. Let's see what happens.
I been a Lumba. What's the song?
You just they come and they disturb me.
You know they say enter Lagos, and enjoy lifestyle. They enjoy lifestyle. They want to enjoy lifestyle. No, nothing. I just there maybe.
May you calm down now. Just play soda just now. Calm down.
I don't feel wait.
My plug get rude.
I don't feel wait.
You don't feel wait.
I want to go outside and go find my own plug. Don't worry. This one gonna do.
And you don't wear shirt. You want to go outside go find your own plug. You don't wear shirt. Hope you never get crazy.
This one's already gone.
I say may you calm down. My plug they come. You didn't hear me.
Going out with ordinary like antibody. Because you want to smoke Kana. There is someone now. What if those are car people?
How far you dey go? You never give me money. How far now, guy? How far now? Yes, I dey follow you talk. How far? I know they lack all those kind of things now. Why they do like that now? You never transfer my money, they go. Why they do like that?
Who shall be? I never transfer. You know me before. I don't understand.
Transfer my money now.
I don't understand. Who shall be this? I know you before.
Oh, I be good that.
Which money I want to give you? I don't know you before.
Oh, guy, check your pocket. I don't put that level for your pocket. Can I 40 go when I put for there? What they do? You transfer my money now, they get out. You shock you, Abi.
How you think that's not what's the family?
Alpha, na Lagos, they write down for your forehead. You chill. Transfer my money 40k. Alpha, she na OP you want.
Beyond unbelief.
Okay, give me OP. Go fast.
8-4.
8-4.
Beyond belief.
Don't receive and check out.
Oh, sharp.
Beyond
The
unbelief.
movement, invisible. So, Alpha, the gates of next time, if you just see call me, I will deliver.
Who shall be case if I need my get your number? I not get your number now.
Don't be your number end for 42.
Yeah.
I will call you. In fact, I don't call you now. You get my number.
That's what they do for Lagos. I the police in my pocket.
Should have just gone to the police station idea and become one of their agents or one of the detectives, because all this one now talent will take the second now. Go and use it to arrest people. Let's see this one from this guy, Tony Cruz. How it goes, and I think this comedy is extra funny, too funny. Like guys, we're gonna enjoy it. Let's go. Oh yeah, someone me the beat. I say someone me the beat.
Sorry, please excuse me. Can I get a picture of you?
But you know I'm ugly.
Yeah, I know. I just want to use it to scare someone.
My mood right now.
Mommy,
Please, no girl should tell me this thing. I will just hang myself. I will just feel as if I'm not existing. Like,
Old. Are you a content creator looking for ways to make money just by posting your content? Very easy. All you just have to do is download the Quote app. In the Quote app, you post your content and they'll pay you for posting your content according to your views. Can't you see that it's very easy? You can withdraw your money from
they don't have
any
power, but
place
they
you
have
are
mouth.
around
This
the
man.
world. You can use any
What
kind
is?
of bank to
I
withdraw
want to
your
use
money.
it to
It's very
scare
easy.
somebody.
Download it. Once you
Huh.
download it, don't forget to follow me.
God, I
on the
beg
Quote
you.
app.
And that guy will go
Tony
now
Cruz.
start
Easy
thinking his
peasy. And share
life.
the video to who you think might be important to. Bye.
Let's see this one from our funny girlfriend, Rich Sophie. Saga.
What's a pretty girl like you doing struggling carrying this kind of cake?
No, I just go fetch water for there. One car and go my compound for front.
You mean no one could help you lift this weight? No gentleman could help you lift this cake?
Nobody. You.
Look at your hand.
She dey blush.
Bruised up, all red. Come on now. A pretty girl like you shouldn't be suffering like
She
this.
dey blush.
You know what? I'll help you.
I found a man.
Saga.
So.
Pretty smile.
Thank you.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Jesus! Jesus! Alright, so have a nice day. Jesus!
That is the look he meant. He mentioned he was going to. Like, didn't you have somebody gentle enough to help you put it on your head? So you want that guy to start carrying things to follow you, village bush girl. You are not even.
Sunshine, this is okay. Kekere, they carry him now. Try it down now, Sunshine. This is okay now. She go like you. Doctor! Doctor, so free.
Nobody, go outside.
God of Baubale. If you do this one for me, Ache, stripper go for your shrine. Who be Mr. Kekere for you? Doctor, na me be Kekere Keti Okere. Congratulations. Your wife just gave us to 2 bouncing baby boy.
The guy dey run crazy, like in jubilation, in joy. My wife don't pop it.
Bro, what? The Pekin them be sickle cell.
Like, what is it? Haven't you done enough?
Kekere, my sunshine, you know we can't get married. Who thought that one? For this abete, they don't put anybody papa way. Ajay, see, Oju Kola Damini is one contrast my eyes he have. For you, all of go and if to return me. I'm SS. I know, say you be SS. That's why you be my sunshine. No be that one. I mean, I'm SS and you are AS. If we now SS, we go born.
Indian love is like so crazy. Is this for real? They tell you that you're going to born SS. You don't mind because Lord don't blind your eye like this. I've done it. Oh, I can feel the love song going out and coming in. Oh, Kekere in love. You don't know what you're going to be born. Indian love, they show you shaggi. They should have featured Funny Bros on this one, honestly. Funny Bros should have been on this comedy. Like, it's going to add more fun to it. Like, Crity actually shocked us this time with his comedy pattern. Like, we never saw it coming. No one see it coming. So, Indian pattern like Funny Bros. Don't say he's trying to mimic Funny Bros. This is just his own pattern. He's not trying to mimic nobody. Like, nobody. So let's see how it goes. Something crazy happened at the end. Let's see. Watch this video. Let's go. They love serious. So they haven't spent so much time in the sea, like beach or what? Yeah.
Papa Twins! Sunshine! It's been 30 years now. You don't fight this cancer. Papa Twins, just give up. Ache, I don't think give up until these children grow up.
How this one go grow up? So all these 2 demons. They're actually good.
Papa Twins, Biko, give up. But no, I know they give up.
If you don't give up, wait, let me tell you. If you don't give up will give you, because those children are not growing anytime.
Nduka, I hope if you deliver. Me when no go church yesterday, they shift deliverance service. Because only me if you deliver. Framework can live and for me.
God.
I beg you. This one going to save me since so. I go paste on my savings account. Who go?
Okay, Mr. Mazi. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.
Thank you, my son.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Uncle, now there's a man be this, so we want to help you bring that money away. Go to go for UK.
Hey, yeah. Una come late too. Eh? We go to go, my son don't already send me the money through Nala. Them just come out here.
How we go do now?
How you go do? The accent, I know.
Just come be Nala again, my brother.
I don't know. See, no worry, I think I get 2 things for you. We'll go to the second place.
Man, don't go and see something.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my picking.
Until that yesterday, they tell me say they find way to receive money from outside country.
Hey, not true.
I don't think as a man going to receive the money.
Hey, yeah. Oga, who say you enjoy the food?
Madam, you can cook. You can cook. Next time,
Okay, bye-bye. Hey, my son. You see this man where just they come up for here? In they work with Nala. He don't help me use Nala app receive the money. Yeah! No verse. Next time I go patronize you as a man, eh? Chai.
I dey come. Nduka, I dey come.
I'm not he that started the fight.
Hey, oh boy, who caused you?
What's of this nonsense and who are you?
Baba, listen to me. My name is Ndu, baby. I'm the son of a praying mother. Now me get the longest and the shortest answer. Who goes you to come and spoil my work for this area? Who are you?
Now you listen to me. I am Nala, an online money transfer app that can use to transfer money from America, UK, and several other European countries to Nigeria and several other African countries. Who are you?
Baba, listen to me, oh. My eyes have been like showers of blessing. You know the show for weather report. Who goes you?
Now you listen to me. Are you aware that if you make any transaction that is up to $50 or £50, you get a bonus of $20 or £20 if you use the promo code Nduka? Stop making this silly noise. Go and click the link on the bio. Go to Play Store or Apple Store. Download the Nala app and start transacting.
Baba, listen to me. Cow word, no be a word. Where did they give you the say cow? A word is enough for the wise. Nala, come off my area.
Everyone sit down. There's nothing you can do. Bet me. My word. Give that money away.
You are very full.
No sense. Why are you smiling? The money is complete.
How come?
If you take 30% for Nala, I rest my case on God.
My God.
You're not the one saying my God. Like, this is the best and the best of the best advert I've ever seen. Like, I love it. In fact, after this reaction,
okay, you get loco. This one is the last way we get for here. Just if you die. How much be this one like this? Just 30,000. Not be 15. Okay, which one be 15 this early morning? Because of you give me 25. No, it costs you. Oh boy. This shoe on my side. Don't you want tell me? How much did they sell am? 50,000. You know what sell am 45? 45. Package this shoe, package them. Chairman. Now this shoe I won't buy now. Chai. I like am, leave am for me. Bros, oh, just chillax. Now you saying like am. You know she saying no to price. Package them. Hey, if I'm not kidding, man. I'll give you 60k for the shoe, package and for me. Hey, 60k. Bros, I beg, no verse. Now you say you go give me 60k. Now say you want them, I will give you 80k for the shoe, package and for me. I go pay 100k, package and for me. I will give you 120k, package the shoe for me.
package them for me. Be like, don't give up.
Bro, just chill.
Yes, I don't receive the 10 million naira. I'll call you back here. They're in the middle of something. Bro, package the shoe for me. I'll give you 250k.
250k.
What less time to you, sir? Give them the shoe. So how much you talk, sir? I'll give you, sir.
Now 250,000 we talk now.
Where my normal shoe, sir?
See, I'm here now.
Hold up.
What the you knock me now? If I give you 250k for this shoe, you go collect, Abi.
No, you knocking me and you talk. And that guy no too price. You don't come out.
At 25k we talk, when they sell, Abi, you know they sell. Sure, you see, say you don't go. If I fail and go now you lose, oh.
Alright, come.
Call your account number.
Slim, I send you 10k. You dey mention 10 million. I don't understand. Abi, I make mistake.
No, that's my brother. I mentioned that figure, man, if it belong. Go. Person be want to press me for them. Life is simple.
It's simple. Very simple.
Uncle, it be like you don't upgrade, though.
Yes, now. But you plug don't upgrade. See, now can appear and disappear, go anywhere one like with ease. You, before the natural, I got deal with you.
Uncle, they don't tell you.
Tell me what it. I hear gunshot.
Yes, nah. You go hear gunshot, nah. Now some bizarre forest with the way shoot around here.
Hey. So you say if the disappear, they appear.
Now we start them. You are amateur. So
we go for them shoot us here.
Uncle, come down. The only problem now be say, me I go. Then you go stay here and fight for your country.
Look at this small boy. Me want appear for your house. Why you say me I don't feel disappear come on for here?
Uncle, let's try.
Audition. Hey! This boy don't kill me.
You better go and join them and start fighting war for your country. You better go and start fighting war for your country because there's no way you're coming out from this place. When I go to show, it's like person.
Neighbor, good evening.
When your friends after Lagos, you don't.
Is he a singer?
No, he's not a singer. Nobody
Yes,
sings
I
in this
love
house.
Broda.
Okay. Excuse me. Hello. Are you a singer?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my God.
He's my neighbor. He's not a singer.
You not talk with song.
Please can I have your IG handle? Oh my God. Oh my God. Your voice is so nice.
Thank you very much.
Can you do a freestyle for me?
Sure. Me, I never seen nobody will go stand by me. Like yo, how do you do this? The girls, them try, them no fit try this. Wow. Say don't bust my don't bust my head, oh babe. Attention now I call, oh babe. When you call me, I must stay. Ooh, yeah.
Oh my God.
That's the way the girl is misbehaving. I'll just leave the both of them.
Oh my God, I just followed you. Please follow me back.
Huh? Okay, you want to follow him?
Yeah, I just followed him.
You people want to follow each other?
Yeah. I'd like to hook up with you one time, okay?
No problem.
Please.
Up.
It's good. Neighbor, you they sing. You been they sing.
Yeah.
Need a body.
Can you hear that?
For one particular wine in my eye.
And the song is actually interesting. Like it's sweet though. The guy has voice. But which one be? Ide body.
Babe, where you coming from? I've been waiting for you.
I go deny Bele.
Babe, so you're cheating on me.
It isn't only how they chop. In fact, I don't break up with you.
Babe.
Wait, because what? Just like that. What kind of comedy are you?
Apope, I tell you make you purchase 20 million for my head.
Yes.
I don't feel need 30 BG. Follow FC. Okay. If 30 BG na drug, me I be happy. I swear.
If FC na court, me I be courty.
What did they give you my self? Say you be FC.
You know they see my neck. Come pray for me.
I been na FC for life. You say what did they give you mine? We come here to play. We come here to play. Move that boy. We the chop on like food. In fact, Peruzzi, Miracle, meet me for studio.
Wow. Babe. Meet me inside.
Lord of Jesus, see my head. They go inside this place.
Yes.
Remember what I promised you? I want you to sing that song for me.
Which one?
Piece of my heart.
I've touched the voice for things.
Easy on your body, but you can't see me when you want.
Because my babe is my life.
One, two, three, 4. Like we are making sure that we disturb you. You will never knock that knock. Since girl just catch you cheap, you don't begin to speak in tongue with whiskey song.
Babe, I beg you, check these pictures and which one I go post?
You ain't no sabi take like picture, make I see.
For you.
Mechanic they call you. Mechanic they call.
Pick on now.
Make I pick on.
Pick on.
No, you don't understand. You don't get motor.
Not true.
My picture, maybe not.
Babe, wait.
Hello?
Hello, nature baby.
Your mechanic romantic indeed, though. Baby, now you say now your mechanic, abi?
Now that baby go kill you.
Poor people and cheating.
Wait.
You know what happens when I remove my.
Why you go your slippers now?
Maybe not because I wear gown, you forget our humble beginning.
Wait.
Mechanic they call.
Which motor
you get? You get motor now with the trek.
Wait.
Don't worry now.
Make I explain now. Wait.
Take your phone.
No worry, I dash you the phone.
Take your phone.
I dash you the phone.
Take your phone.
Why they do like this now?
This boy, you want bring out the ghetto in me. I don't like to beat men. I don't like to.
Never beat men.
Joseph.
Never beat men.
This is a lie detector machine. If you lie, it will beep. Where are you coming from?
I dey come for school. I'm sorry. Hold up there and I look with the chance.
Just lie up and down.
I'm sorry. I follow my friend go play football.
So you're close for school. You follow your friend go play ball. That time I did your age. If I close for school like this, I go straight to us.
You see you and your son life.
Jesus. The son is not even yours. The son is not even yours.
So what up, guys? Anything you say to this mic in 5 seconds, I'm going to buy it for you. JLK. I beg you. This is not like all this malt and Indomie Ashaka and then they buy for people. Which one be GLK?
I be the GLK too much. Oh yeah, come! Bugatti!
My neighbor. Mazi, how you there now?
I dey fine though.
Chai. Since when my wife died, na me be mama, na me be papa. As it is now, na me dey bath, na me dey pack shit. Na ponsi. Na I know say you strong go. You and your wife don't die since 5 years ago.
Mazi, make I tell you. Since my wife died, you know easy. Now God now don't they comfort me since. I dey cook for the children. I dey dress them for school. But God has been my wife. And he will continue to put us through.
Amen. Where you dey go now?
I want reach market. My pick small thing where I go use make soup. Me and my pikin go chop.
You want go market? Now you know tell me now. Hold on, now make I follow you. So that anything where you pick, I go pick. You know say you be my senior. This widower business. Sorry,
I know I dey wait for you.
Like who's going to pay? Pick and pick. This one they're picking and picking.
I just for this side.
Anywhere you go, I go.
In brain in a wire, it's a problem so far. No matter condition, we go find solution. Better you go walk, better you go fail. No matter the situation, first us in Nigeria. First us here now.
I pick it, eh?
What a fine food.
Hey, keep eating, eh? Drink water. Drink. Yeah.
And this food not be for me.
My pikin manage now. Manage.
No, Daddy, no, this is not how money to give me food.
Must you call your mother in this matter now? Must you call your mother? Oh, my wife.
Daddy, my belly are full. I cannot finish this food.
Oh, you are full already. I'm going to take water, eh? Go wash your hand, eh? Wash. Yeah, go inside. Later, you eat it in the night. Yeah, come.
Neighbor. Wait. I don't understand though. Now me and you they go market the same time. We they buy the same ingredients. We they cook the same food. My pikin go chop finish. Tell me say you know belly full. Your pikin go just chop one, chop two. You go shout, Daddy, my belly is full. How you they do am?
Mazi. You know say you didn't need to this widower business. I'm gonna wait till they come, eh?
Okay, go.
Don't
get like this.
Mazi! Mazi!
Okay.
You see this is what I want to tell you. These two things, what be this?
Now salt and pepper now.
I think salt and pepper. Between this salt and this pepper, which are plenty pass?
My eye know they pay me now. Now the salt now plenty pass the pepper.
I think the salt plenty pass the pepper. Rule number 1, I say widow. If you cook for your pikin, you go they add plenty pepper. As you see, I'm done. They almost finish because I add plenty pepper when I cook for my pikin. So that before you go chop 1, chop 2. Before you don't shout, Daddy, my stomach is full. I cannot finish it. Go drink plenty water. Belly don't full.
Oh, now I understand.
Ma, see this in the IQ. They need a 10%. No.
20% no. Now you senior brother.
As they go, if they learn more.
Hey, we don't want balance part 1.
So they need to teach person.
Jesus.
Hey.
Crazy.
No, please don't try it at home. Bro. This is just a comedy. Like it is just a comedy for you. Don't go and practice it. Oh, it is not nice. So this one is from SK Records.
I don't get time for
Where you
this.
dey come from?
Make I enter house. I don't get power to talk.
Where you come from? Stand for your call.
I don't get power to talk. I don't get power to talk.
Stand for you. Where you come from?
Even at midday house, so not midday house.
Stand for you. That is the question.
Even at midday with you, so what you want to argue again? I don't get power for this or what happened today.
I don't tell you before. For the relationship to work, one person go put body for ground. You dey hear? 2 captain cannot captain a ship. For the relationship to work, you say that you put body for ground. You dey hear? And they ask you because they call you since yesterday, you not sleep ass. This ass, when me and you stay so you not sleep. Where you come from?
You go mind the way they talk to me. You go mind the way they talk to me because me and you no be mates.
Me and you no waiting.
Me and you no be mates. I senior you. Not be said because me and you be for relationship, you go talk to me anyhow. Not talk to me anyhow, not be your pikin.
If they calculate the age, how many years they senior me? Not to be senior for age. You have orientation as a married person. Get sense. Your sense the function. First thing tomorrow morning, you just go meet your papa. I go tell her, say, I beg go, the pikin you give me, I don't fit control the pikin big pass me. They create. They talk matter, they talk about age. Now if the matter with Jadra, be a serious matter.
You go meet my papa.
No problem.
Go meet my papa now. Go meet my papa, let's cosplay, say me and you no be mate.
Wow, women. And you may be the man, you know, say the wife senior, you know, you go poor and marry.
Babe, so you've been here and I've been calling you. Why have you not been taking my calls now?
Hey, ask your grandfather. That is because I choose not to.
What do you mean you choose not to? Why won't you pick my calls? Have you broken up with me without my knowledge? Anyways, the conversation we had the last time, I told you about the registration of the face of gold I'm contesting for. And everybody's already doing their stuff. I've not done anything. And registration is ending tomorrow. I need more money to purchase everything I need.
Winifred, haven't I tried for you? Since 3 years of this relationship now, every three months you dey contest for one pageantry or the other. One pageantry or the other. Every day, babe, vote for me. You don't contest. You don't even contest face of gold circle, you know still win. Every time I do for comment section, they shout, I am here for winning. I am here for winning. People should help my babe. You can't be there for me.
As my boyfriend, you are supposed to be supporting me. You'll be pushing me now, Brian.
So all these things why they do, you know they see am. I don't understand. They be like saying I'm mumu boy wey get money, na the better boyfriend.
What happened to you guys?
No be you make me go dey shout. If I don't off gen, we no dey use fuel argue for this house.
Like Nato, if it is no problem, but you are arguing over nothing and pour a day on the waist. God forbid. Ade and Papa, they have caught you in camera. You've done enough.
I can explain. Save it.
Pity him now, he's already injured like gosh. Ade have reached Ade RIP. After all the bruises, you now switch on CCTV to reveal what he did that made him receive that beating. After that, old man come to play love. Where your wife? Who is his wife?
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus. My wife, thank God say you come.
I don't make up my mind to marry her join you as a second wife. Like Ned and Regina Daniel. I want to make her family large.
Clap for yourself. So Ned, now your mentor now. So you not see wet copy. Now the polygamous nature. Now you go see copy. So if you marry this girl now, I want to take care of us.
If I don't get money, I'll go borrow money for Pampe.
See you. Bill, I say Pampe never pursue you before. And you, husband snatcher. That's never snatch your womb before. Oh yeah, hello.
Bro, no. I be woman call house. You dey pursue the woman they come out.
You get love say I dey in a good mood. If not, your two front teeth for follow and come out.
Woman are Jackie Chan. So na Jet Li wife. So you would have beaten the man like he's someone.
Babe, hey, what's up now? I'll tell you one question. Hey, come on, sit down. Hey! Me or Igbo? Is it? No, like choose one. Between me or Kana. Which one you go choose? Cannabis. Yeah! Now, wow! You or smoke or Igbo? I wanna smoke. You know your limits now. You know your limits. So make I choose to give me happiness. Who are you? I don't they give you happiness. You wait short girls are like 5 and 6. They give me happiness, but like wrong one. You get Igbo they give me joy, happiness. You.
When Konji hold you, you're not Igbo. If Konji hold you, you're not Igbo.
Konji me I go smoke Igbo. I no go knock am.
Yes, she said, when Konji hold you go knock Igbo. Yes, you go knock Igbo. I better go Phoebe. Phoebe's not doing her best right now. I think she's trying.
Make everywhere no day arrange.
I give her
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Evening.
My name is Sylvester Amani. Somebody directed me to this place. I hear you guys company are the best, so I walk all the way from Okotubene down to this place. I'm ready to work your company, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Just pray.
Anyways, Broda is a place specially designed and convenient for Nigerians to trade all kind of gift cards. Gift card like Amazon card, Steam card, iTunes card, and all kind of gift card where you know. You can download the app on your App Store or Play Store to check any latest rate at any time and use my invitation code CVBOKI. You understand? We use the best technology to make sure that your information and your transaction are safe and secured, so you no go get any worries from us and your own self. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So how many years of experience you have?
52 years.
52 years?
Yes, sir.
Well, I say this one won't collect our company. 52 years of experience. You know what? Pursue on.
If I hold it in my hand.
Please, come and believe in.
Okay. Jesus!
Who take charge is a warrior.
Nah, by
Who be that?
Dexter. Jesus!
You won't catch me.
Hi.
Is everything alright?
Everything's alright, so welcome.
So why you're acting sneaky? Abi, is this not your house?
Let me get a house, not my house.
So?
Okay, man, I'll tell you the truth. I did still Gary before. So as you come, I say make a hide them, but I can't realize now which I want to with this. No need.
Gary?
Na Gary.
Wait. Okay. You mean to tell me this is what you were intending to give me when I come?
No, not what I want to give you, but now what I get with it.
Come on now. First time visiting you. And you want me to sew Gary with you?
Nah, Gary, they save life. Oh.
No wonder.
What happen?
See how the bone for your neck don't come out because you know they chop better food. Where is the closest market? Let me just rush in, get something and come make good food for you.
Wait, I don't understand. You want to use your money to cook food for us?
Of course.
Blast! You
Blast!
Give respect. This expectation, very good. I will update you massively.
That's fine.
I
So what would you love me to cook for you?
Mo just run stew and chicken then package and later with spag. How you see? Make I follow you now.
You want to follow me?
Yes, now.
Fine.
Give my phone. Okay, no need. Don't be more spent.
So if you're not the one spending, You're not going to go with your phone. What if other people are calling you? Eh?
Alpha. I agree to bros. You. No be you. That time I would try. No be where they deliver. I agree to yes. Correct. Try. I agree to you, bros.
Carry this level. Carry. Give a telephone.
Go away.
Give me. End to the end.
Carry the other one. Give dragon.
Dragon.
Alpha monkey. You hold the other one. Give monkey.
Give monkey this one.
Carry.
This one today. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No. Give the other one to.
No, I appreciate it.
Give the other one. You all dig down. See you on for ground there.
No. Tuesday down. No.
Just now carry and go there with the for outside.
What I go there with the for Tuesday? Okay. Yes, say they look me. I do you bad. Why you look me at that time? If you go do. Me just no go problem go dey spray. Me call just I go dey spray gun. I be the aggressive age.
Which one be aggressive age?
I'm aggressive one time. I make go spray money for club. People dey mama spray bullet for outside. And na name I wan go do. Me no fit do. I do with this one. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate.
You are not giving that stuff.
I appreciate. I'm here to see my friend.
I appreciate. I'm here to see her. Very hilarious one. Let's see this one from Gentuu. I think this is Lord Lamba. Happy?
But you know cook, are you hungry like this? Food day now, your babe cook now.
My babe.
Yes now, she even there now, Precious. Precious!
Yeah.
Jesus! Come, your boyfriend is here.
Jesus, man, bring one blow.
What are you doing here?
Babe, I was bored now. I just came to chill with your friend.
Mommy, oh, my body they shake. If I leave him now, why you dey para for him now? And I know my team now. You won't come the reason now. See, your boyfriend is hungry, you can't give him food.
Now tell me, how am I going to believe? I'll just leave this place. Like, how am I going to believe in I know? I'll just walk away.
Oh wow!
Jesus. What be this? Jesus.
Out of me and you, one go take ground. Dead body go surplus.
My data don't finish, oh. That's why I just buy na. Ezono, help me on your hotspot.
Oh, hotspot. No vessel. My hotspot I deleted yesterday. I no get space for phone.
Jesus! And they delete hotspot?
Yes, they delete hotspot. Then they delete hotspot. Make a hotspot to make you use my data. They laugh nonsense. I will watch the video. You know they make
very annoying laughter.
Then they make money for video.
No. Where they watch it?
Never made a play.
No worry. You never hear about Chili.
Now
place where you feel they watch video. I say they watch video. You go they earn coins. Make a coin shock you. See those coins? They go soon list them. And when they list that coin, they go convert them to dollar. And when they convert them to dollar, they go pay you. And let me tell you, you feel buy glasses. Glasses will worth any amount. And the more you purchase glasses, the more you stand chances to earn big. As I talk to you now, all the video where you they watch, they laugh, and they watch and hear. But as they watch your own, you know they make money, and they make money for my own.
I beg, show me.
And you could just enter App Store. Hey, I don't forget say you don't get that. Jesus!
I share your spot now.
Okay, make I share your spot. Make I use my Android phone, take or spot your iPhone 14 Pro Max when you get that.
They shut down now.
So make I use this man. If you like, no go download the app. Oswald.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around till this moment, and I hope you enjoy this hilarious funny comedy compilation video. So guys, on today's video, we're actually going to be revealing some hilarious scenes, especially the scenes that trade me most. I'm going to be deliberating on some parts, like the most funniest part that you may or you might not have noticed in this comedy video. All right, guys, let's go. And mind you, if you have any funny scene that you want to talk about, you can, explain it, or, just narrate it with a laugh emoji in the comment section down below. All right, guys, let's dive into this funny scene. I was just scrolling down my Instagram page like scrolling down Instagram, scrolling down Facebook, searching for comedy so that I can compile them to make a whole comedy for you guys. And I found out this guy, like seriously, this guy's comedy is like crazy. I almost ended up watching all the comedy on his page before I realized that, man, I have to upload this video as soon as possible. So let me quickly take some funny videos from him and also, put it in my compilation. And I saw this particular one, like, I was like, what did this guy think to have this kind of comedy? You need to see what happened. How can a girl, went like or go to a restaurant to eat. She didn't went there alone. Someone took him there. Of course, a guy took her there. A guy took her there. And before you know it, a kind of talk say the guy he like in teeth because he white. He like the color of his teeth. And the mumu man say, my teeth is that brown teeth, mumu, brown teeth. And also this one is a very nice update for every one of you out there. A very nice update. Especially you see this person and don't give him money or you don't want to give her money and you feel he or she is pretending. Like you see them complete, you see them like maybe all those people in the hang bag, they form, I beg borrow me money, I lost my transport, I need to go to Lagos, I need to help this kind of people. You just tell them that when they say please, most of them used to say I'm hungry, most of them used to say good morning. Most of them used to say, please, can you help me with anything they just say at the first conversation. You just tell them, oh, what a beautiful name. I am. You just tell them your name. I think let's just emulate this video. The person will be like, what kind of a human being is this? Like, it's a total bad day for that person. Like, let's see the second one. Guess, I used to hear that guess have sharp mouth, but I never knew it has gotten to this extent where the sharp man no longer respect anybody. Look at what she told somebody, a whole grown-up guy. Just like, please can I take a picture with you? And the guy like was his ego went up. His ego went up like confidence. Oh, I am a huge and cute guy. For where this guy say won't snap picture with me, I'm a cute guy. But at the end of the day, you told that guy that you wanted to use it to scare somebody. What? What do you take me for like? Hush. I really laugh. You see, I've been doing review on this guy's comedy, 3 comedy on a row. I have never done that on anybody's comedy. That's to let you know that this guy is good. The guy is good. Check out his name. Follow him on any social media you find him. Follow him. He's good. Honestly, he's good. And from today henceforth, I will be using his comedy or I'll be adding his comedy on my compilation video. Let's go to Kata FA. Kata FA has we have waited for a very long time for Kata FA. Do you know what? I am coming. Now Kata FA showed up with this pattern. Like, I can't say this comedy is not hilarious. It's extremely hilarious, like crazily funny. See now. So Didi the knack person. Those baby oil na for knack. I thought it's to rub baby body, make they shine. Never know it's for the other thing. Hi, Kata FA. With God, as he was talking, spit full everywhere. Now wow. You get that in view. And I love this comedy from Dino Shaw God. I really love this comedy from Dino Shaw God. Yes. It was shocked to see the guy slim. Unlike before, when the guy was like fat and chubby. Thinking things must have taken place that led to that. And of course, something happened. The guy was no longer seeing food as usual. Maybe he don't dey live on his own. Papa and mama don't chase and when they feed them before they don't push one come up for us. So they know if they feed to meet up in body shape. But when he buy like this, they say food they also the guy jump for. I love this one. Very, very nice comedy from this guy. And also Sophie. Sophie is something else. So you're expecting this cute guy, this fine white guy. This guy will wear white, so as he fine, so he'll come help you carry load for head the waka. No be as you be, you village girl. she get mind. But I love what Saga did. He will never go to hellfire because he did the right thing. He was indeed a good Samaritan because he took that thing from her, help her put it on her head. Now you get your load. Carry your load, oh. Carry your load, oh. Carry your load, oh. You know what that means. And again, let's see this other comedy. Let's see this particular one. I think this one is going to be the end review. I'm going to be taking right now, and I think this one worth it. Bro Bush and Officer Woos. Bro Bush, you left your shop, your barber shop, to help people escape from the police net, and you ran back to your store to barb a customer, not knowing that that customer is that police you were, preventing your friends not to fall in their net from. Look at the smile on Officer Wo's face when he was revealing everything, telling him everything, how he managed to collect their phone so that the police will not know who those guys are. Meanwhile, they are internet fraudster. You know what I mean? So just come on for there, come put himself for trouble. People when you save, now all of una Officer Wo's will carry una, all of una go there, they go arrest all of una. That is how it's going to be. That is how it's going to be. Honestly. All right, guys, we've come to the end. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly go and subscribe, hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notification bell. Like this video, share it to all your social media platforms, and don't forget to comment. Let me see your comment. I know people that are commenting on this channel. Not when I start my giveaway, you start saying that I forgot you, I forget you, I don't remember you, this and that and this. So you better keep commenting. Comment on my video. All right, guys. Thank you. We're going to call it a day. We're wrapping up. Have a wonderful time.